40 days until Yukon River Quest 2026. This is the 23Zero Onyx 270 awning with the full wall kit. There's 5 panels to this kit, and each panel has a screened in area that I've got rolled up right now, or you can roll that down and it'll be a darkened panel. And each screen panel you can open up for a doorway. Unlike the Peregrine Pro that I have on the other side, it doesn't have these screen panels, and there's only one door. So this is 5 panels. We start with panel 2. There is no panel 1. The main panel is panel 3. So this serves as the main doorway. Here's panel 4. Panel 5. And then panel 6. Couldn't get on the grass, so just staked it out with bricks for right now, but obviously if you're camping out, you would just stake those in. One of the things I've noticed already is these bungee cords right here. All of them are coming untied, so we're going to replace those with just 540 paracord. Well, let me show you what it looks like on the inside. I've got it tied off in 2 spots. So right here to my roof rack, and then tied off to my bumper in the front. This one has 5 lights. 4 lights rather, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. The lights change colors, but you can see how much space you have. I know it's 9 feet for the Peregrine Pro, and this looks pretty similar to about the same distance staked out. The issue, a lot of people want to use these as tents. You have all this open area right here, and then all of this. So panel 1 shows to be right here, and I talked to 23Zero, and currently they do not have a plan to make a panel that fits right here, even though they've got it ready for a zipper. So this is panel 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Comes with a kit for the electronics. Unlike the Peregrine Pro, these are already pre-wired. You just plug in one to right here and then plug it in. I've got a little Jackery Explorer 330, got a USB in there. It's plenty of battery to run these lights for literally days. This is a view of the inside though on a Tacoma. It kind of gives you an idea how much space you have with a Tacoma. Now I've got both. I've got a 180 Peregrine Pro on the opposite side by 23Zero as well. I think 23Zero really stepped up the game with the Onyx series. They did a really nice job. They included more lights. It gets really dark in here, and if you don't have these zip out panels, it gets super dark. Some people may want that, but again, I'm not planning on sleeping underneath this. I'm planning on using it just to get out of the elements, either the sun, rain, maybe wind, but probably not so much the wind. Just kind of give you a quick walk around. I've got an Expedition 1 bumper with a dual swing out, and I still have plenty of space to walk by there and lots of space to walk around the truck. You can access all the doors, full access to the doors. The only thing is this pole in the front touches my snorkel. So I've got it just kind of laid up against the truck, leaning against the snorkel. Other than that, everything else fits up fine. The extra 2 poles that it comes with are for panel 1 to 2 and panel 2 to 3, because these don't fold up very well when you do it. This has got a big sag right here on this panel between 2 and 3, and I'm not sure why that is. Part of the reason they told me was you've got an access to the roof right here, but you don't have that same kind of sag on panel 5 to 6 because you have a roof access here as well for behind to a rooftop tent. So I'm not sure why there's so much sag right there. Not a big deal, easy drainage. Main thing is providing shade and shelter. Great product. Really impressed with 23Zero products. That's why I bought the Peregrine Pro after I got this one, because I wanted one for the driver's side as well. I couldn't go with a 270. This is the 180, and what we do is when we pull the 180 out, instead of hooking the Onyx to the bumper, we just take this and hook it right here where they go straight across and just pull them together. And then we only have one tie down in the back for each of the awnings. And this awning, when it comes out, actually comes over this, barely comes over it, and still doesn't interfere with my boat when I'm got my boat on top. I'll do a quick walk around from view. I get far enough away. That shows you how far it comes out from the truck. These are big panels. Again, it's not quite tight because I'm using just bricks and they move a little bit, but it stakes down really nice when you've got grass. There's a big walk around. You get a view from the front. So you can see how much space you have right here. And then right above the snorkel, that's all open front to back. So it's not going to keep out all the rain, but it's going to keep a lot of the elements out. So there you go, 23Zero Onyx 270 awning with the full mount kit. Yukon River Quest 2026.